I bet you didn't know that our modern measuring cups have a rebellious past. Let's uncover their story. Before the late 19th century, cooking was a wild west of pinches and handfuls. Then came Fannie Farmer, the culinary hero we didn't know we needed. She brought order to the chaos by introducing level measurements to American kitchens. But even with standard cups, the confusion persisted. Here's why. Fluid ounces measure volume, while dry ounces measure weight. They're like apples and oranges, totally different. So the magic rule, 1 cup of liquid equals 8 fluid ounces. Easy, right? But for dry ingredients, it's a mixed bag. For instance, 1 cup of flour is about 4.25 ounces, light and fluffy. 1 cup of sugar, around 7 ounces, dense and heavy. And chocolate chips, roughly 6 ounces. Now you know why baking can feel a bit like a science experiment. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember, not all ounces are created equal. Happy baking!